This has been a long time coming. Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode from Everything Boosted. For those that don't know me, my name is Erwin and I got this special ordered in from Japan in December, and guess what? It's finally here. It might look like an ordinary Tomei exhaust and I'm really hoping that that's not what's in here. I hope it really is what I ordered instead of just the single. I'm gonna be really sad. Ooh, oh, what's this? Oh, look how good this looks. I really wish I could unbubble it and show you guys, but I'm off to my shop so that way they can get this installed. Look, it even comes with all the hardware and the gaskets that you need. Oh my god, guys, $2,600 exhaust. This is what it sounds like. Oh my god. Not gonna lie, compared to the single exit Tomei, this dual exit is a lot more tame. It sounds a lot beefier. It definitely has more growl. As far as I know, this is the only NA 350Z on YouTube with Tomei Headers, Motordyne ART Pipes, Tomei Y-Pipe, and the Tomei Dual Exit. So if you guys enjoy, if you guys like what it sounds like, I've got more videos to come. Unfortunately, they are not gonna be with the naturally aspirated engine no more because we got turbo moves coming in. So the next time that you guys see this car, it's gonna be single turbo with the mid mount, with the dual exit, and it should still have the headers. So we're going with the Tomei turbo system here. Not really a turbo system by Tomei, but I'm fitting it to the Tomei parts that I have. I'm just trying to keep it Tomei. You guys might want to ask why. It's really just for the clout, because I know a lot of people hate and a lot of people love on Tomei. I'm hoping that the Turbski will sound good. I'm hoping I'll make good power with them headers as the exhaust manifold for the turbo. I still have the ported upper and lower. We are going with the VQ37HR. That is right, you did not hear me mispronounce. If you guys don't know what that is and you're about to start typing in the comments, that's not even an engine, then you guys might want to do a little bit more research before you start talking poop on the internet. But other than that, yeah.